I was 37, had never had a mammogram done, and I felt like as the health director of a health department that I should probably get one done if I'm telling other women to go get checked, and early detection is important. And so I went at 37, got a 3D mammogram, and it was completely negative. I was relieved. And so about a year later to the date, I felt a lump and went back to the doctor, and they did the biopsy and everything, and they said, yeah, your left breast is full. You know, what did you do between last year and this year? Because this is really aggressive. And at that point, I was diagnosed with a stage 3 triple negative breast cancer. And so when you hear those words, it's just, your world just kind of stops for a minute. And I immediately thought about my girls who are 9 and 4. I thought about my husband, I thought about my sisters. I thought about my mom because I lost my mom early. I lost my mom when I was 16 and she was 35. And so my first thoughts were, oh my gosh, I can't imagine leaving my girls. And so I knew at that point that death was not an option for me. And so whatever it took, whatever I needed to do, whatever the treatment plan was, I was ready. And now I just have a more profound level of empathy for the women and men who get this diagnosis every day that I didn't have before, just as being a director, just carrying forth that public health message. It's very personal now. This doesn't have to define you in a way that's a negative thing, but you're now part of a bigger family and a bigger support system that the whole community is just rallying behind. I'm amped up that our department gets to be in a friendly competition with Bluestem Health and Brad Meyer because all we do is win, and I'm ready to do that. And you know, we're just going to raise a lot of money because the American Cancer Society, they do so many great things. I had access to some of the best doctors. I mean, I shouldn't even say some, the best doctors, my care team. And just knowing that the funds that we'll raise will give that possibility to someone else for them to have that level of care, it just excites me, it ignites me, and I'm ready.